You might have noticed that we've been a bit quiet lately, and that's because I've been really busy. However, today I am not busy because we are taking the Renault 21 Turbo down to Renault 21 Turbo legend, Mr. Sibley. It looks great. We're at Weatherby Services, as always. The van's still brown, and Paul is still a vegetarian. Shall we go Renaulting?
Yes, please.
By choice. We're in Coventry. So what we've done is we've gone all the way down the A1, then we've dropped something off, what's that, Peterborough. We've dropped something off at Peterborough Services. Now we've gone across to Coventry to drop off the 21 Turbo. We're going to Bristol to pick up a mystery car that no one knows about except everyone I've told about it. I'm upset that we went to Peterborough and didn't stop in to see John Law.
He doesn't live in Peterborough.
Yes.
Geographically challenged. Among many challenges, geography is one of them.
Yeah, I'm putting on weight at an alarming rate.
Snackage.
Snackery.
We exclusively buy cars just to drive to Greg's. The end product is
I love Greg's.
calories.
Calories.
Right.
The minute-long montage of us laughing.
An entire.
I would like to film this, but we're parked illegally. Well, we're not actually parked illegally. We've just driven up a curb. We're going to unload the 21 Turbo. The Turbo. This is an interesting turn of events. There it is. Turbo. The 21 Turbo.
Did you just stop those?
No. Yes. What have you done to your hand?
That's stupid.
Oh. 21 Turbo. Off it goes. We have arrived
In Bristol.
in Bristol. Everyone's alive. The trailer's still in one piece. We're going to go and pick up the mystery car. Really excited.
I am excited. This is a massive departure from the other cars we have.
Yeah.
Historically, technically.
Financially as well, weirdly.
It's about the same.
Greg's, here we come. Well, top of the list of things that you didn't expect us to be coming back with today probably includes this. What? Paul wants to venture into the world of veteran Renaults, as though the world of old retro Renaults isn't quite hard enough. So coming to a Greg's near you. Made it. We've just stopped off with Le Renault, mildly undressing itself. This is almost certainly the fastest this vehicle has ever been, and probably the furthest in multiple years. Many years. So it started undressing itself, and we started to notice that everything on it is finger tight, which bodes well for the full restoration. I love it though, it's great, and I can't wait to take it to Greg's tomorrow. Then we'll spanner check it maybe beforehand. Currently we are on the M1. We left the unit, some people may not know, we live homogeneously next to each other. So we met at unit 1 and I met at unit 2, and then we merged into our natural seating positions. This is my van now, I'm captain of this ship. And then we drove to Peterborough and dropped off something there, and then we went to Willenhall to see Dave Sibley to drop off the 21 Turbo, which all went a dream, and maybe previously in this video, but I've realised I've not filmed much, so I'm padding this out. Then we went to Bristol, so we've literally done a big old triangle, which is my favourite instrument at school, and now we're on our way back up with an ETA of 9 o'clock. Then I think it's very much a case of unload this, and then at that point we can separate. Like, what was What was the robot in Robot Wars that split into two? Gemini. It was two.
That was
it was
a thing?
Yeah, it was two robots. It was two robots that it was together, and then it split in two.
What?
Yeah. Right, I'm going to watch some Robot Wars on YouTube, and I'll catch up with you when we go back to Newcastle, and I might put in some B-roll. I've really missed this. Jockey wheels in one piece. Pool exists. What? Look at it. It's so long. Many miles. Let's get this bad boy in. Look at the rig. The rig. Oh. What can I tell you about today? It has been both long and adventurous, but we are possibly maybe at the point of re-entry. No, I didn't have to do anything that. Perfect. There we go. The NN is installed in the NNery. The van was once again, as always, an absolute trooper. Many miles were covered. It's now about 9:30, 10 o'clock-ish, something like that. There's many more amazing Renaults here which haven't been discussed too much lately, but there are many more Renaults for us to cover. That's a Renault NN. That's not, that is. That's a Renault NN. This has been fun. Thank you and goodbye. What's going on with my beard? Honestly, I am a wreck of a man.